Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I sincerely don't know what I'm shaking because let's not just go into it, okay? In this video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you things that I find highly essential. These things are things I can't live without. Like, I'm not joking. These things have really improved my life. These things have really improved my life in a great way. Initially, I wanted this video to just be an unboxing. I got like 3 things or so. So I wanted to just come unbox them here. But I said no, that this video could actually be my essentials, like things that are really important to me, and I feel like it would be nice to share them with you guys because these things have really improved my life in a great way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, leave a comment below. What are your essentials, like really? So what are things that you've discovered that have really improved your life in a great way? So let's discuss in the comment section. Let's tete-a-tete. Okay, why am I doing my hands like this? Oh, all right, stop, Siata. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so when I post, you can see my video every single time. Capish? Let's go into the video, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's too much. I think I had sugar today, so that's why I'm hyper. I'm gonna be sharing these things in no particular order. My number one essential is my iPhone. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. This phone is highly, super duper, magnificently essential. I'm supposed to show you the phone, but that is what I'm using to shoot this video. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. The camera quality is good. I use this phone to shoot all my YouTube videos. I use it to take all my pictures. I don't have a professional camera yet, but by God's grace, I'm gonna have it soon. Yes, you speak things into existence and it comes their way. So I use it to edit my YouTube videos. I use it to manage all my social media accounts. I use it to post. I don't have a laptop. I've never had a laptop in my life, which is strange. I'm supposed to be hiding my face. I don't know how I've been coping without a laptop, but that is also what I highly need at this point in my life. So I use this phone to write ideas on my notepad. I use this phone to read books on Audible. I use it to study. I use it for everything. Let me just put this out there. iPhone is not overrated, period. This phone is super duper good. I need to stop talking about this phone. My point is, this phone has been of great service and help to me, and that is why it is my number one essential. My next essential is skincare. Guys, if you have not started a skincare routine, I don't know what you're waiting for. When I started having a normal skincare routine, my skin improved. I'm not talking about lightening cream and all that. No, I'm talking about using the right ingredients in your skincare. First of all, you have to moisturize. You have to moisturize your body. You have to moisturize your face. This is what I use to moisturize my face. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. It has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a good ingredient. We also have it in our body. There's a video I did on skincare. I'm going to link it up here or here, either of them. So please watch it so you can know all there is to know about skincare. Guys, you need to start using a sunscreen. Whether you're a guy, a girl, you're black, you're white, you're purple, you have to use your sunscreen. And please don't tell me that you're not having sunburn. No. This protects your skin from cancer. It protects your skin from aging faster. Okay? So you need to start using sunscreen every single day of your life. This is an essential. Another one I have here is my lip balm. So I noticed that most times my lips are always dry. It smells good. So I ordered this. This is Laneige. This is a lip sleeping mask. You can put it on your lips overnight. It exfoliates your lips. It moisturizes your lips. And when you wake up, your boo is going to be licking up your lips. It's not kissing. It's going to be licking your lips up. This is super important. These are the 3 things I have to show you guys. But this is not all I use for my skincare. I'm going to go in depth in that in my skincare video. So please try to watch it. So skincare is not just for women alone. it's for both gender. Please take care of your skin, guys. The earlier you start anti-aging skincare, the better for you. Your skin will thank you for it in years time, okay? My next essential is this. Guys, this is a memory foam pillow. This pillow is the best thing that has ever happened to me. Wait, let me show you. You see? So, see, I'm gonna fold it, then I let it go, and it goes back to the normal shape. This is how good this pillow is, and it's super soft. It helps me sleep well. It has improved my sleep greatly, and you know how important sleep is. As soon as you put your head goes in like this. Like, it's as if the pillow is romancing your head. I don't understand. Your head goes in like this, and when you take up your head, the thing goes back to the normal shape. I've had this pillow since 2018, and it is still very good. I got this from Vono Foam or Vono Company, I've forgotten. They sell mattresses, they sell pillows and all that. This is the first ever fiber pillow I have. You see how flat it is? But the first time I got it, it was fluffy like this. Then after like months, the thing just went flat on me. It just betrayed me. I don't know why. This one has really served me, and it has stood the test of time. It is super, see, Jesus. Sometimes when my friends come to visit me and they put their head in this pillow, they're like, what pillow is this? Even me, I know, I will just start laughing. It remains small. I go begin to carry this thing, they travel. Small. Anywhere I'm going to, I carry it to that place. I don't care. This pillow is good. And if you don't like sleeping with pillows, trust me, this is a good buy, because you're not going to know that you're lying on a pillow. It will be romancing your head as you're sleeping, because you won't feel like there's a pillow. I hate those hard pillows. Guys, if you are using those hard pillows to sleep, all those huge, hard bodybuilding pillows, please discard them, because it's going to affect your neck on the long run. Trust me. Please don't use hard pillows to sleep. Instead, don't just use anything. Just sleep like that. Jeje. No wahala. Guys, are you having small waist pain? Like you want to stand up, your waist is like or you wake up in the morning and your waist is aching. It's time for you to change your mattress. What are you still waiting for? You need to. We can't be hustling and be sleeping in anyhow mattress. It won't work. That's to say that my next essential is mattress. Not just any mattress, but a semi-orthopedic mattress. This is good because this is hard and firm and still has a little bit of foam inside. It's not hard like rock, but if you know you can sleep on the floor, just go for orthopedic mattress. That one is actually super hard. I got this mattress from Muka Foam. So I used to use a very soft mattress that every time I wake up in the morning and I stand up, my waist will just do guys, I used to have waist pain. How can a young girl like this that has not even used her waist like that be having waist pain? So I noticed that the issue was the mattress I was using to sleep. So I had to try to change my mattress. Obviously, I can't carry this thing up. No. This mattress is actually better. My body is well balanced. I sleep better. The first time I slept on this mattress, I woke up. I said, God, thank you. This mattress has greatly improved my life and my sleep. And even my waist. Now, I'm so happy. I'm going to use my waist for a very longer time. Enjoying my save. Bad child. My next essential is an AirPod Pro. Ooh. Hello? I can't hear you. What did you say? Oh, okay. I should unbox you. Yes. So guys, we're going to be unboxing this together. This is super duper good. Okay, I don't know how they used to do this thing. Okay. So I make lots of calls. Yay! Please excuse my excitement. I have always wanted an AirPod, but I never knew that I would get an AirPod Pro. So please excuse my excitement. Like, I'm super excited. This is a noise cancelling device, and even when I'm outside and I'm editing, I can just have this on and be editing, be working with my phone, and I make lots of calls. So I like this because it's hands-free, and Okay, this has other earbud. This doesn't fit my ear. Either of them would work. And it also comes with a cord for charging. Yes. So this is why I went on my vlog the last time to look for this cord that will work with this AirPod Pro. Then this is my old earpiece. This came with this phone, and guys, this is still working. I can use something for a very long time. That thing will last in my hand. This will last. You're going to last in my hands. I don't care. So guys, let's try out the sound. Like, I can't even hear anything again. Whoa. Everywhere is quiet. This cancels noise. It's as if my AC is off. Whoa. What? This is good. Anyways, guys, how does this sound? Do you think this sound is actually better than the other mic I was using? Do you notice there's a difference? What do you think? Please leave a comment below. Okay, let's continue. But let me stop first and know how this sound is sounding, so I don't just continue this video and at the end of the day it's not sounding good. So my next essential is a perfume and deodorant. We're gonna do another unboxing, guys. This is actually a perfume I've liked for a very long time. I have different pictures of this on my phone. I got this from Essenza. Okay, this is how the packaging is. This is it. It's called Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. This is a classic. This smells so good. It is Eau de Perfume Intense. I actually went for the Intense because this lasts way longer than the normal version. It's so good. First time I perceived this, I fell deeply in love with this perfume. I'm using this just to show an essential. A perfume should be an essential. Smelling good is an essential. We should all smell good. This is my essential too. Guys, a perfume is different from a deodorant. You have to use a deodorant first, you know, inside before you put a perfume on top. If you use a perfume without a deodorant, there is a great chance that you're going to perspirate and you're going to... So don't. This is Nivea Men Antiperspirant Black and White Invisible Original. They said it's for men, but I use it because it lasts. And this is a long size, a long version. I've tried other deodorants and I'm like... I keep going back to this. I can't remember how many of this I've used so far. So apart from this perfume, there are actually more affordable perfumes. You can check out Zara's, you can check out Victoria's Secret. I have a perfume review video on this channel. I'm going to link it up here. I did a review of very affordable perfumes, very high-end perfumes, and middle range perfumes. So please check out this video so you can see and have options too. So my next essential is having a different bank account from the one you normally use. It's good to have a different savings account that you don't have access to, that you don't have ATM or checkbook to withdraw from it. No withdrawals. That has actually helped me to save money for important things I've done in the past. No matter how small you think you have, just try and transfer to that savings account that you don't have access to. Trust me, your future self is going to thank you for it. Because if you end up having just one account that you have access to, there will always be need for you to take money from there. So just have a different account you use to save money that you can't just touch. Nothing can make you touch that money. It's a great essential to me. So guys, yes, my next essential is this. This is a blue light glasses. So these glasses helps block the digital screen lights from our phone, from our TV, from our computers. If you always walk in front of the screen, no matter how long or how little you walk in front of screen, you always use your phone. This is an essential to help improve your sleep, to help prevent headaches you used to have at the end of the day. These glasses has greatly improved my sleep. So I got these glasses from Banner brand. They are in Europe, I think, Barcelona, Spain, but they ship worldwide. My next essential is a power bank. This charges my phone like multiple times. I got this from Oraimo. It is 20,000 mAh. If you're in Nigeria, you already know having a power bank is a necessity. There's no two ways about it. If not, these NEPA people are going to show you pepper. Next essential is having a toothbrush that has rubber bristles, like it has rubber in between. Can you see this? This green one here is actually rubber. Okay, let me show you guys the difference. This is a hard toothbrush. You see how hard it is? Having a hard toothbrush does not mean that you're going to brush better. No, because this hard one is going to damage your gum. This up here, this is too hard for the teeth. And you know our teeth, our gum is soft. So our teeth should be handled with care. It also has rubber behind this place. So there is rubber here. So as you're brushing your teeth, the bristles are romancing your teeth inside. And this one is romancing your inner mouth. This is super essential, not this. Throw this away. No, this is good. My next essential is garden egg. Garden egg is scarce, guys. Why? I wanted to show you guys. Maybe some of you that have never seen it before. Garden egg is also known as eggplant. It's called anyara in Igbo. I actually love the green one. Garden egg is the only bitter thing I eat. The more bitter it is, the better for me. Whenever I take a bite, I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It tastes so good. And garden egg is actually very healthy. It is rich in antioxidants. It helps in weight management. It helps improve eye health. It helps prevent cancer. It has vitamin C and B. Guys, it is super healthy. But I can't just call garden egg without calling Oba, which is African oil beans. That is super duper good. It is, I don't know, that thing just makes me feel good. I just love it so much. And it's rich in protein. It lowers cholesterol. It helps prevent cancer. It's too healthy. And no matter how peppery it is, I will still be doing it because I don't like pepper. I'll be doing, I'll still be eating it. Last on my list is self-love. Self-love is an essential for me. I had to learn how to love myself. It has made me know my value and my worth. Just try and learn how to love yourself. Rome was not built in a day. You're not going to just wake up today and start loving yourself. No. You have to start by loving your imperfections, by loving and accepting yourself the way you are. Be empathetic with yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Love yourself, accept yourself, pity yourself, be kind to yourself, pamper yourself. These are all self-love. All these things I have here are actually my own way of loving myself better, because these things are actually improving my life so I can live longer and see my children's children and children as they go. Yeah, I've noticed that when you love yourself so much, people around you can't even dare to love you any less. It's not possible because you can't even treat yourself lower, because you see yourself as a bad bitch. You see yourself as the most important thing ever in this world. I'm taking it personal, like at the vex. Anyways, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, comment below. What are your essentials? What are things you can't live without? If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends, share on your social media accounts so other people can still, you know, learn and improve their lives too. And finally, you have not subscribed and you keep coming back to watch me. How fun now? What's up? You gotta subscribe and join my YouTube family. Please subscribe, guys. I can't wait for you to join my amazing YouTube family. And turn on the notification bell so whenever I post, you can come and let's see the hot. I'ma see you in my next video. Bye.